the morning, how far my mother died. I would angel to my mother, and to the skies of blue. So children obey your mother, obey faithfully. Dear mother, it was only yesterday. Yes, it must be, for I could still feel the gentle touch of finger. Each night, as you ran down from my head, you put me to bed. The magic your lips, wherever you kiss my pain and peace away. The tenderness of voice, putting me understanding. With this stout mother, I wish you still hear me today. So children obey your mother, obey them faithfully. For if you lose your mother, you lose the best of all. You lose